Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And I start off with that just because the first talking point here is not really an update, but more so a confirmation. And that bit of confirmation is in regards to that red line there that, yeah, that level truly is going to be a stubborn and annoying level of resistance. And that's valued right up around the 1820-ish mark. And the problem here is that it's also going to be a tricky level. What do I mean by tricky? Well, right there, it wasn't tricky. The price went up there, got rejected, back down it went. But the problem here is the price actually broke above that level. But then it was almost like that level grabbed a magnet and then just pulled the price right back down. So a situation where moving forward, you're going to need to realize that even if the price does break above 1820, I mean, that very well could be a true breakout. But you're also going to want to tread lightly because you now have data which is suggesting that, or it could be one of these situations where it's a total fake breakout. So, then which is it? Well, I don't know. And that's hence the word a tricky level of resistance, because we now have the track record of it almost just playing a game with the bull saying, okay, let's let the bulls think it's going to break out. Just kidding. And then back down it went. So more of the story, that's going to remain a very important level of resistance going forward. As far as levels of support, yeah, you still have this overarching level down here at 1650. But now that we got more data after today's price movement, I mean, definitely worth pointing out that the pink line right there, which is the 200 period moving average, is doing a fantastic job of holding that support. You can see held at support there, and then this morning, on the big pullback right there, generally speaking, held as support. So that'll be the main area of support, but that's more so the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? Well, yeah, ideally if the price can stay above that level, but I mean, if the price does drop below it, it's not the end of the world or anything like that, because you still do have 1650 down there. But moving forward, those are going to be the main technical levels going forward, so let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.